What if the next 5 years changed everything? A time when machines think faster than us, decide for us, and even work alongside us. AI is no longer a concept from movies. It's here, transforming how we live and work. But with these incredible changes come big questions. Will AI take jobs or create new ones? Can it improve our lives without taking control? As the world races forward with AI, there's so much at stake. In this video, we'll uncover what's next for AI and how it will shape our future. Stay tuned. This story affects all of us. What is AI and how did it start? AI, or artificial intelligence, is where machines can think and learn like humans. But AI wasn't always real. It started as an idea in science fiction books and movies. In 1956, a scientist named John McCarthy gave AI its name at a meeting. That's when people started working seriously on making intelligent machines. At first, progress was slow because computers weren't strong enough. But everything changed in 1997, when a computer called Deep Blue beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov. This was a big moment. It showed that machines could outsmart humans in certain tasks. In 2022, AI made another big jump with tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E. These AI systems could write, draw, and even hold conversations. Suddenly, AI became a part of daily life. Today, AI powers voice assistants like Alexa, suggests shows on Netflix, and even helps cars drive themselves. But this is only the beginning. How AI will change our lives in 5 years. AI is developing very fast. In just 5 years, it will bring big changes to our lives. AI will make decisions faster than ever. Hospitals could diagnose illnesses in seconds. Banks could approve loans in minutes. Everything will move faster because AI will handle the hard work. AI will help companies work better. Factories will use robots to make products quickly. Customer service will use AI chatbots to solve problems. This will save time and money. AI will know a lot about us, what we do, where we go, and what we like. This can be useful, but it also raises big questions. How much of our personal lives should AI know? Governments will create new laws to control how AI is used. These laws will protect people's privacy and make sure AI is safe. But figuring out these rules will take time. AI will not replace all jobs. Instead, it will work with humans. For example, doctors will use AI to understand medical tests, and teachers will use it to help students learn better. Which industries will AI disrupt the most? AI will change many industries, but some will see bigger changes than others. Here are 5 examples. AI will make learning personal. It will find the best way to teach each student. For example, if one student learns better through videos and another through reading, AI will adjust. This could help students learn faster. AI will help doctors diagnose illnesses more accurately. It will analyze tests, suggest treatments, and even predict health risks. But it's important to keep patient data safe. Banks will use AI for fraud detection, financial planning, and customer service. AI will make managing money easier. However, fewer jobs might be available for people working in banks. AI will help lawyers analyze documents and draft contracts. This will save time and reduce costs. But it might mean fewer jobs for lawyers, especially in smaller firms. Self-driving cars and trucks will become more common. AI will make transportation safer and faster, but this could also lead to job losses to drivers. The risks and challenges of AI. One of the biggest challenges of AI is job loss. As machines take over tasks that humans used to do, many people could lose their jobs. For example, factory workers might be replaced by robots, and drivers might lose their jobs to self-driving vehicles. Even white-collar jobs like those in law or finance are at risk because AI can handle tasks like drafting documents or analyzing data. Another risk is the ethical questions that come with AI. What happens if an AI system makes a mistake? For example, what if a self-driving car causes an accident or an AI misdiagnoses a patient? Who should be held responsible? The company that built the AI, the user, or the AI itself? These are difficult questions that need answers as AI becomes a bigger part of our lives. There is also the fear of losing control over AI. Some experts worry that advanced AI systems could start making decisions on their own without human oversight. This idea may sound like a sci-fi movie, but it highlights the importance of keeping AI safe and ensuring humans remain in charge. Another challenge is data privacy. AI systems rely on collecting large amounts of data to function. This means they might know a lot about us, our habits, preferences, and even personal secrets. Finally, there's the risk of AI being misused. Powerful AI systems could be used for harmful purposes, like cyber attacks, spreading fake news, or creating biased decisions. To prevent this, governments and companies will need to work together to create ethical guidelines and keep AI from being used irresponsibly. The future of humans and AI working together. The future of AI isn't about machines taking over. It's about humans and AI working together to achieve better results. For example, in schools, teachers can use AI to create personalized lessons for students. AI can identify a student's strengths and weaknesses and adjust teaching methods to suit their needs. In healthcare, AI can work alongside doctors to improve medical care. Doctors can use AI to analyze medical tests and suggest the best treatments for patients. This doesn't mean replacing doctors. Instead, it means giving them a powerful tool to make their work easier and more accurate. Businesses will also benefit from human-AI teamwork. AI can handle repetitive tasks like analyzing data or managing schedules, allowing employees to focus on creative and strategic work. In the legal field, lawyers can use AI to research laws and draft contracts more quickly. This will save time and allow lawyers to focus on more complex cases. Similarly, in finance, AI can analyze market trends and help human advisors make smarter investment decisions. The key to success is balance. Humans bring creativity, empathy, and decision-making skills, while AI brings speed, precision, and data analysis. When the two work together, they can achieve things that neither could do alone. The future isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines as partners. AI is not just another tool. It's a game changer. In the next 5 years, it will change how we live, work, and think. AI brings amazing opportunities, but it also brings challenges. We need to use it wisely. This means creating rules to protect people, retraining workers for new jobs, and making sure AI benefits everyone. What do you think about AI? Are you excited about its future, or do you worry about its risks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our world. See you in the next video.